Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to hide or unhide your chart in TradingView in 2026. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. You are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you hurry up if you are interested. Now, in order to hide or unhide your chart here in TradingView, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products and it is going to launch the chart in front of you. Now over here, once the chart is in front of you, you just have to look for the option of hide all the drawings and the indicators icon. So it will be available here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. You can also, when you hover over to it, you will see uh, the option of the hide drawings, hide indicators, hide the position orders, or hide all. So when you click on the option of hide all, your chart will go blank just like so. After that, you just have to unhide it and it will come over here. If it doesn't come, you can just simply refresh your chart and it is going to look something like this. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.